Hi everybody, it's Max.hahne here with Engel and Volker's Collingwood-Muskoka-Owen Sound in the Bruce Peninsula. I'm here on our farm enjoying a beautiful Thursday afternoon. Just taking a break from the work we're doing inside to enjoy a little hot tubbing. And it reminds me of how lucky we are to live in this part of the world. We enjoy all the benefits of 4 seasons, and yet we don't have earthquakes, forest fires, or any of those sorts of things going on. If you're thinking of making a move, please consider us here in Collingwood and Owen Sound. It's a great place to live, a great place to enjoy the fruits of your labor, so to speak. So I can be reached at 705-441-5800 or max.hahne at EV Real Estate. And wishing you all a great Thursday, and hope you're enjoying some sunshine or some skiing or snowmobiling or hot tubbing like we are. Soon we're going to get the Zamboni out, which is in farmer speak, it's a pickup truck with a blade on the front. We're going to try and clear an ice rink on the ice here. We're just showing you a shot of the pond behind us. Maybe we'll get a game of pickup hockey going. Anyway, enjoy your Thursday. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.